Good morning, students. In your maths book, we will read chapter 4, addition and subtraction. Everybody knows how to add and how to subtract. But in this class and in this chapter, you will learn about the different ways to addition and subtraction. That all will be very interesting. First of all, we will do revision. Revision means you know about all the questions, but I am just giving you reminder how to do 4 and 5. 4 and 5, how will you add? We will keep mind the biggest number, which is a bigger number, 5. Then keep 5 in mind and 4 finger take out. 4 finger take out, now count it. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers are there? 9. Okay. Then again, which is the bigger number? 8. Then keep 8 in mind and 3 finger take out. 3 finger take out. Now count after 8. 9, 10, 11. How many numbers are there? 11. Our answer is 11. Do it yourself. This type. These are the subtraction. Let me clear subtraction also. 9 and 5. We have to do back counting. How to do back counting? There are two ways. You can do back counting after 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do like this way, or the other way is you can count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Then these are the both way to do the subtraction. One more. 10 and 8. You can do back counting after 10. 9, 8. 9, 8. How many numbers? 1, 2. Okay, then there will be 2. And the second way is you can count after 8 till 10 will come. After 8 count 9, 10. 10 aa gaya means 1 and 2. Then answer is 2. Okay, you have to do all these questions yourself only in book. The second one is, there is an interesting table. How to do this? Let me clear. This is a sign of plus. All these row we will add to this row. How? 4 and 3. Count it. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Okay, then 7. 3 and 3. 4, 5, 6. Then 6. 7 to 3. Means all these numbers will be add with this and answer will be write down in this column. Next, all these numbers will be add with this and write down in these columns. Next, all these numbers will be add again with this number, this, and we will write answers in these columns. I will complete the one table. 7 and 3, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then 10. 9 and 3, 9 in the mind, 3 finger take out. Count now. 10, 11, 12. It's easy, na? 2 and 3, 2 in the mind, 3 finger take out, 5. When we add 0 to any of digit, then the number will come same, because 0 is nothing. But when we will add 0 plus 3, then answer will be 3, will be remain same. 5 and 3, 5 in the mind, 3 finger take out, 6, 7, 8. Then answer is 8. Again 6, add 6 plus 3, 6 and 3, 6 in the mind, 3 finger take out, 7, 8, 9. Then the answer is 9. Okay, do continue this. Complete all this table. This is the subtraction. The same way which we use here, all these numbers will be subtract from this. I am not writing any answers, just I am explaining. You all have done it in the first standard very easily. 7 and 3. Okay, then count after 3 till 7 will come. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 4. Then answer is 4. Now subtract 9 and 7. Always remember, bigger number will become upside. 9 and 7. Then we will count. It's very easy to us. You can manage yourself. There are, if you have small number, then count from the small number. After 7 में से 9 minus करेंगे. 7, 8, 9. Then how many numbers? 2. These are not with the carryover. We don't carry any of whatever is the biggest number, you have to subtract only smaller number from the bigger number. Means you will subtract 3 out of 7. 7 में से 3 ही आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, ना कि 3 में से 7. बिकॉज अगर आप 3 में से 7 करेंगे देन दैट विल बी, you have to make it 13. This is the carry over. But at present we are not doing any carry questions, just only the simple subtraction. Complete this table yourself. Okay, and these are the subtraction and addition. All are in the simple way. There are some carry also. How to do carry questions? Do you know? These are not with the carry. You can do yourself. Let me clear only carry questions. Okay. In this question, there is not any question which is getting carry. So you can do it easily. Complete 3 all questions in book only. We will continue our next part in the next video. Till then, you can try to do yourself these questions. Just these are very interesting.